What makes a 30-30 Winchester lever-action rifle truly legendary? Is it the history, the handling, the reliability, or the way it still feels perfectly at home in the deer woods after more than a century? Today, we are counting down 5 legendary 30-30 rifles that continue to define the lever-action hunting experience. From classic designs that helped build the reputation of American hunting rifles, to modern versions that bring updated features and greater versatility, each rifle on this list has something special to offer. And the biggest question is simple: which one deserves the crown as the ultimate 30-30 lever action? Stay with us as we break down the design, features, strengths, weaknesses, and overall value of all 5 rifles. If you enjoy honest hunting rifle reviews and comparisons, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Iron Sight Reviews. Thanks for watching, and let us get started. Starting with the Rossi R95, this rifle brings the classic 30-30 lever action concept into a more affordable and practical package. The R95 uses a traditional lever action system with side ejection, making it much more convenient for mounting a scope than older top ejection designs. Depending on the version, hunters can choose a compact trapper configuration or the more modern triple black style, giving the platform a useful range of options for different hunting environments. The R95 is built around a 30-30 Winchester chambering, a cartridge long respected for deer hunting because it offers a practical balance of power, manageable recoil, and effective performance at typical woodland distances. The trapper version stands out with its shorter barrel and compact handling, which can be especially useful when moving through thick timber or carrying a rifle for long periods. The triple black version takes a more modern approach, with a darker finish and features aimed at hunters who prefer a contemporary appearance. One of the biggest advantages of the R95 is value. It generally costs less than premium lever-action rifles from manufacturers such as Henry or the newer Marlin rifles, while still providing the basic characteristics hunters expect from a 30-30. That makes it an appealing entry point for someone who wants a traditional lever gun without paying a premium for upgraded materials or highly refined finishing. There are compromises, of course. The metal and wood finishing can feel more basic than what you get from a higher-priced Marlin or Henry, and small details may not have the same level of refinement. Still, the R95 earns its place on this list because it focuses on practical performance rather than luxury. Compared with many modern hunting rifles chambered for similar medium power cartridges, it also preserves something those rifles cannot easily reproduce: the compact balance, quick handling, and unmistakable character of a classic lever action. For hunters who value affordability, simplicity, and traditional 30-30 appeal, the Rossi R95 is a strong value choice in the modern market. Moving up to number 4, the Henry Big Boy X model brings a distinctly modern attitude to the classic 30-30 lever action. Unlike traditional wood-stocked lever guns, this rifle is designed around practical features that appeal to hunters who want classic handling with greater flexibility for modern accessories. Its black polymer furniture gives the rifle a weather-resistant character, while the integrated M-lock slots provide convenient options for attaching compatible accessories. A Picatinny rail also makes mounting an optic much easier than on older lever-action designs. Chambered for the 30-30 Winchester cartridge, the Big Boy X model remains focused on the kind of hunting where compact handling and fast operation matter. Its threaded barrel adds another modern feature, giving the platform greater flexibility for compatible muzzle devices. The fiber optic sights are also useful when fast target acquisition is more important than traditional sight styling. Together, these features make the rifle feel less like a reproduction of the past and more like a lever action designed for today's hunter. Another major strength is the smooth operating feel associated with Henry lever-action rifles. The action is designed to cycle efficiently, while the Sidegate provides a convenient way to load individual cartridges without relying solely on the traditional tube loading method. For hunters who spend time in changing weather or rough terrain, the polymer stock can also be easier to maintain than finely finished traditional wood. The trade-off is obvious. The Big Boy X model gives up much of the classic appearance that makes older 30-30 rifles so attractive. Hunters looking for polished walnut, traditional lines, and a strong connection to 19th century styling may prefer another rifle on this list. It can also command a higher price than budget-oriented lever actions, such as the Rossi R95. However, for someone who wants modern features without abandoning the character of a lever action, the Big Boy X model offers a compelling combination of versatility, durability, and 30-30 performance. It proves that a legendary hunting platform can evolve while still retaining its unmistakable identity. At number 3, the Henry Sidegate Lever Action 30-30 stands out as a rifle that blends traditional craftsmanship with thoughtful modern convenience. Henry built this model for hunters who appreciate the appearance and feel of a classic lever gun, but want a more practical loading system. The defining feature is the Sidegate, which allows cartridges to be loaded directly into the receiver while retaining the traditional tubular magazine. This gives hunters more flexibility in the field and makes topping off the rifle considerably more convenient. Chambered in 30-30 Winchester, the rifle is designed around a cartridge that remains well suited to deer hunting and other medium game at practical woodland distances. The action is one of the strongest reasons to consider this rifle. Its lever operates with a notably smooth feel, helping the rifle cycle quickly and naturally between shots. That smooth operation also contributes to the overall impression of quality that Henry rifles are known for. Another advantage is the level of finishing. Compared with more budget-focused lever actions, the Henry Sidegate model generally offers a more refined appearance, with careful attention to the receiver, furniture, and overall fit and finish. For hunters who appreciate a rifle that can serve both as a working hunting tool and as a long-term firearm worth keeping, that added refinement can make a difference. The main drawback is weight, particularly on versions featuring a brass receiver. That extra weight may not matter during a short hunt, but it becomes more noticeable when carrying the rifle through steep terrain or dense woods for several hours. The higher purchase price can also place it above more affordable choices, such as the Rossi R95. Still, the Henry Sidegate earns its number 3 position because it offers an excellent balance of heritage, smooth operation, craftsmanship, and practical loading convenience. Compared with many modern hunting rifles, it also delivers a level of character that is difficult to duplicate. For hunters who want a 30-30 with genuine classic appeal and modern usability, this Henry is a compelling choice. Taking the number 2 position, the Marlin Model 336 represents one of the most recognizable lever-action rifles ever associated with the 30-30 Winchester. Today, the Model 336 is produced by Ruger, with the lineup including traditional classic versions as well as more modern configurations. That range gives hunters the opportunity to choose between a rifle that preserves the familiar appearance of a classic lever gun and a version designed around more contemporary hunting preferences. One of the Model 336's biggest strengths is its side ejection system. Unlike the top ejection design found on the Winchester Model 1894, the side ejection arrangement makes mounting a conventional scope considerably easier. This is an important advantage for hunters who want to extend the practical usefulness of a 30-30 beyond traditional open-sight hunting. The rifle also has a solid, comfortable feel in the hands, providing a balance between stability and maneuverability in the woods. The classic configuration is especially appealing to hunters who value traditional styling, while the Dark Series takes a more modern direction, with polymer furniture, a threaded barrel, and a Picatinny rail for accessories. This makes the Model 336 unusually versatile for a rifle with such a long history. It can remain a traditional hunting rifle or become a more contemporary platform depending on the configuration selected. The primary disadvantage is weight. Compared with the famously slim and lightweight Winchester Model 94, the Model 336 can feel somewhat heavier when carried through thick timber for hours. That extra weight, however, also contributes to a substantial and stable feel when shouldering the rifle. In terms of long-term value, the Model 336 has a strong advantage because its reputation was built over generations rather than through a short-lived trend. Compared with many newer hunting rifles chambered for similar cartridges, it offers a distinctive combination of proven lever-action design, practical scope compatibility, and enduring American hunting appeal. That combination makes the Marlin Model 336 an exceptionally strong number 2, and for many hunters, it may be the rifle that comes closest to claiming the crown. Taking the number 1 spot, the Winchester Model 1894, also known as the Model 94, is the rifle that arguably defines the 30-30 Winchester lever-action tradition. Designed by John Browning and introduced alongside the 30-30 Winchester cartridge, the Model 94 became deeply connected with American deer hunting and remains one of the most recognizable lever-action rifles ever produced. Its history alone gives this rifle an advantage that few modern hunting rifles can match. The Model 94 is built around a slim, lightweight design that makes it exceptionally comfortable to carry through dense woods and rugged hunting country. Its straight stock and compact proportions give the rifle a distinctive profile, while the lever action allows quick cycling without requiring the hunter to remove the rifle completely from the shoulder. For hunters moving through thick timber, that combination of lightweight, balance, and fast handling can be extremely valuable. There is, however, one important limitation when compared with the Marlin Model 336. Traditional Model 94 configurations use a top ejection system, which can make mounting a conventional scope directly over the receiver more challenging. This is one reason some hunters prefer side ejection lever actions when optics are a priority. For hunters who enjoy traditional open sights or a setup designed specifically for the Model 94, however, this limitation may be less important. Another reason the Model 94 remains special is long-term durability and historical value. While many modern hunting rifles focus heavily on synthetic materials, modular accessories, and advanced manufacturing, the Model 94 represents a simpler approach built around a proven mechanical design. Its reputation has survived generations of hunting trends, making it more than simply another 30-30 rifle. When the combination of history, handling, iconic design, and lasting appeal is considered, the Winchester Model 1894 earns the number 1 position. It may not have every modern feature, but few rifles can match its place in the story of the 30-30 Winchester. After looking at all 5 of these legendary 30-30 lever-action rifles, one thing is clear. Each rifle brings its own combination of history, handling, craftsmanship, and practical value to the hunting woods. The Rossi R95 delivers strong value for hunters on a budget, while the Henry Big Boy X model adds modern versatility. The Henry Sidegate brings refined craftsmanship, and the Marlin Model 336 offers an excellent balance of tradition and scope-friendly design. But when history, lightweight handling, iconic design, and long-term appeal are considered together, the Winchester Model 1894 remains a true legend. Which of these 5 rifles would you choose for your next hunt? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this comparison, please like the video and subscribe to Iron Sight Reviews for more hunting rifle reviews, rankings, and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.